sisters. I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its streets and very tall. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness.